Hey guys, this is beautiful monogram, and you can see this monogram is for newborn baby child, and you can see the date is written. This is the date of the birth of the child of our customer, and this is made up of quality aluminum composite material, and you can customize it with your child's name or child's date of birth, and this looks very beautiful, and you can easily paste it on any wall or any cupboard or even on the glass, or you can also put it in the bedroom. And we provide two-way industrial quality tape. Just peel it and paste it on any wall. Alternately, you can also use the drilling and screws if you want. And this comes with two different colors. This is the silver brush color that you have seen. This is our top selling color, and it also comes with this kind of golden mirror finish. So two colors are available. So yes, if you have any newborn child of yours or anyone in your friends and relatives, you can easily order this and gift them a beautiful newborn baby monogram. So to order this monogram, just visit www.jadhavmonogram.com. See you on the other side.